Hello campers, welcome back to another day of learning. Today's standard is MD.2.3, tell time to the hour and half hour. The objective, students, is that you will be able to tell and write time to the hour and half hour. So our game for today, boys and girls, is called What Time Is It? Time Matching Game. And as you can see, I'm going to sit down so I can get a little up close and personal with you. We have on the table eggs. The objective for this game is for you to be able to identify how to match the analog time with the digital time. This is the analog time and this is the digital time. So let's do that. And I made the game a little trickier because I don't want you to think that you could just pick up the same colors to match the game and think that's going to be the correct answer. You have to be challenging to yourself. Alrighty. So with this one, it says 11:45. So because Ms. Allen pretty much knows which one it is, I'm going to just show you how you could tell the time. The digital time says 11:45, and the analog clock that matches that would be this egg right here, this part of the egg. As you could see that the shorthand is on the 11 and the longhand is on the 9. All right, so that's how you, and then you would place the eggs together as such. Well, you would try to put it together where you will make sure they connect some kind of way. Okay, and there you have it. 11:45 is matched up. Okay, let's do the next time. The next time says 3:30. All right, and this is the digital time. On the analog clock, you see where the shorthand is pointing to the 3 and the long hand is pointing towards the 6. That was upside down. The shorthand is pointing to the 3 and the long hand is pointing towards the 6. This is how 3:30 will look on the analog clock. And you would match it together and place it right there. All right, let's do the next one. The next one says 7 o'clock. And here you have the shorthand pointing to the number 7 and the long hand pointing to the number 12. Well, actually it goes this way because I was looking at it from my point of view. It's the shorthand is on the 7 and the long hand goes on the 12. And then you match them up. And there you have it. 11:45, 3:30, 7 o'clock, and our last time will be 9:20. By this time of night, boys and girls, you should be in the bed. And if you look at the clock, over here, you see that the shorthand is on the 9 and the long hand is on the 4 because that would read 9:20. All right, and then you match the egg together. And then you will have your What Time Is It activity completed. Boys and girls, I would like for you to see if you can make this same game with your parents or your brothers and your sisters and see how much you can get accomplished. All right, boys and girls, thank you for a wonderful day of learning about analog and digital time and that you're learning how to tell time without using the cell phone. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls. Believe in yourself,